Hey, what's up guys, back here with another video of OnePlus. Today I'm telling you 5 things about OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z, which you might don't know. I know this video should upload after the previous video of OnePlus, but chalta hai yaar. So get some snacks to not get bored and enjoy the video. In the previous video of OnePlus, I just showed you the picture of how Wireless 2 looks. Now I'm going to tell you the actual difference between Wireless 2 and Wireless Z. OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2 have this small thing on each earbud, which Wireless Z does not have that, and a bit difference in earbud. My perspective on Wireless Z is that OnePlus brought a new chain in the headphone. However, Wireless 2 might hurt in the ear when people use it for many hours, but Wireless Z is really good with the design and it does fit properly in the ears with comfortability and smoothness. There are less chances of falling down of headphone. And another thing I want to demonstrate is that each earbud there are 2 mics. So one is here and the second one is over here. I don't know what to call them, but I say mic. These 2 mics are built to prevent the noise of surrounding, so that when you are using it, you can only listen to a particular song or video. Audio is the most important thing in every headphone. In this part, I will tell you 2 differences about recording sound: normal recording and headphone recording. I'm going to record an app to show you. This one is mobile recording. And this one is Wireless Z recording. Normal recording is good, but आवाज़ थोड़ी सी फट जाती है. However, headphone recording will give you more projecting and clear voice. Now guys, you can see that if you're on call, the receiver can hear you properly. Alright, now I will show you the high pitch and low pitch sound.
Keeper didn't quite do enough. He's having quite the game for himself. Save after save after save. Let's get the latest on the injury. He's in with a chance. Salah! And a goal it is, the opener in this game.
Well, keep it tight. That's what both managers would have been.
Clattered away. And options in the centre. It might be just what the Liverpool fans wanted to see as they extend the lead to 2.
Last thing I want to share that I'm not sure about that OnePlus include aptX codec in Wireless Z. If you guys want to know about this, then contact OnePlus Store. I'm gonna talk about bass because in previous video of OnePlus, some people commented about the Wireless Z bass. I will show you the screenshot that Wireless Z packs a 9.2mm dynamic driver and some super bass tone to offer rich sound quality. I would say this is a new chain from OnePlus to make Wireless Z better, and this headphone has a very balanced bass to give comfort to your ears while listening. When people buy any earbuds, they look for the resistant. The question is here, does Wireless Z has water and sweat resistant or not? The answer is yes. Oh yeah! Wireless Z has IP55 resistance. This means that it protects against dust ingress and prevents solid objects by a nozzle of 6.3mm and also prevents the droplets of rain. So you guys don't need to worry much if you are outside at dust area or in a rainy weather. Your headset will be protected. The price of Wireless Z is $49.95. Oh my god! Wow! OnePlus reduces the price to be more competitive in market and to reach large numbers of potential customers. Overall, I would thank OnePlus for making a reasonable price to make customers satisfying. I'm going to end the video here guys. If you are new, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. If you want to ask something, write in the comment section. Allah Hafiz.